lost, stolen, or damaged your Tesco Clubcard. Tesco offers a free replacement process as of October 2025. You can request a replacement online through the Tesco website, via the Clubcard app, or in-store at any Tesco location. The fastest option is digital. You'll need to verify your identity with details like your name, address, and potentially the last four digits of your card number or associated email. For security, Tesco uses two-factor authentication for online requests. A digital replacement is available instantly through the app, while a physical card will arrive in 5 to 7 working days. Consider opting for a digital card to avoid the risk of losing or damaging a physical one in the future. When you replace your Tesco Clubcard, don't worry about losing your hard-earned points. The new card is automatically linked to your existing account, ensuring all your points, personal data, and transaction history are completely preserved. This account continuity works whether you choose a physical card or a digital version through the app. Tesco is increasingly focusing on digital cards, with plans to go fully digital by 2027. If you opt for a physical replacement, your old card will be deactivated as soon as the new one is issued, preventing any potential fraud. This security measure protects your account and benefits. With the rise in digital adoption, Tesco is also enhancing security measures, including exploring biometric verification in the future. This will make the replacement process even more seamless and secure.